Just a lot of tension in the upper back here.
Mm.
I do feel that. Upper neck, upper back. It's just a huge knot at the base of her neck right here. I would say mid neck. Ooh. There we go. It's loosening up. It's getting there. You're doing it. I have to be careful when you do this. Now chin back for me. Right here. Perfect. Baby adjustment. You did it. Was it that bad?
That's better. Oh, that's so much better.
It's not that bad, is it?
No, not at all.
You about jumped off the table. You scared me. And that's fine. Toes. People are like, why do you do the toes? Like, look up the definition. Proprioception. You'll find out why. Let's go that way. Reach overhead and grab the table. Okay, there you are. Your feet tell your brain where you are in space. So if I don't get these right, then your balance is off. Because I just did, people always ask, why do you do this immediately after the atlas? Your atlas tells your cerebellum where you are in space, and so do your feet.
Oh, okay.
So I want them kind of to talk to each other. Okay. Now that happens all on its own, doesn't it?
Was that your finger?
No, that was her knee. But yeah, she's got some tenderness here. See, it's done. You want to laugh? We just went straight to pain with you.
That phrase out, yeah.
Okay, there it goes, there it goes. All right. Ooh. Deep breath in and out. Deep breath in and out. Push, push, push. There it goes.
Oh, wow.
Deep breath in, all the way out. Oh, they're very tight. Good. Don't hold it, don't hold it, you got it. There it is. Too much?
No, it's okay.
I'm just pushing into it because I couldn't get what I wanted. Sorry. Done, done, done. There it goes. Good, good, good. Okay. Yeah, I know you feel it, right? It's coming from all the way down here. I'm just gonna put some pressure on it. If you can handle it. Can you handle that okay?
Yeah, that's good.
I'm getting down into it, one level at a time. Right here on the right-hand side. Give you a break. If I try the left-hand side,
not as bad.
I just don't feel it there. It's not resisting. It kind of just sinks.
I can feel myself resisting it on this side.
On the left or the right?
On the right.
On the right, yeah. This, I feel like it travels, yep, all the way down to here. So let me start down here then. Too much. Sorry. Just got a little bit. How you doing? How you doing?
Yeah, good.
Okay. Trying to relax this. There it goes. And arm down for me. On the pad. Yep. This side's not as bad. That side moved just fine. Head back for me. Ooh, it went all by itself. Good. Other side. Give me this hand. Yep. Then head back, kind of like off the table. Yeah, there you go.
Oh, that's better. Yeah, I do feel better.
Okay, good. You can tell the truth.
So much more loose.
Okay. Did I miss anything?
I don't think so.
I think I want to stop right there just because you haven't had it done before. And I'm kind of hesitant to go further than that. And if I send you out of here, they're going to be like, what happened to her? It'll go away in about 2 to 4 days.
Okay.
It doesn't last forever,
Perfect.
I promise. Okay.